Hello everyone, this is Donna, and today I want to share with you what's in my bag. So I'm actually using this bag. This bag is given to me by my mom, and my auntie gave it to her, but my mom used big bags, so she's really not into this kind of bags. It's not that small though, so as you can see, it's not so small, but I like bags like this because it's not so bulky. Yeah, so this bag is not branded, so it's a no brand bag, but I don't care, I like it. Yeah, so this is the bag that I was using earlier today, and this is quite cool because see, this is a magnet bag, easy to open. So of course there's a zipper. I already opened it earlier. So I don't bring a lot of stuff. So here's what's inside. Okay, what's actually inside, I don't know if you can see it very well. What's actually inside is this bag, a smaller bag, because I like to separate other things that is inside my bag so it won't move around so much. So I have this inside. It's like an organizer. I use this to organize my bag, sorry. So if you're in Philippines, you can buy this from Bench. Bench is our local shop in Philippines. There are a lot of things there that you can buy like this or clothes or whatever. So this one is only 219 pesos. 219 pesos in US dollars is around $4 to $5, yeah? So you can use bags like this to put inside your bag. Depends on how big your bag is. So here, I put the things that moves around bags. So I put my keys inside. So these are the keys to my house. And I put my lip tint here as well. This is a Michelle lip tint that I'm using earlier today. And also lip balm. So this lip balm is given to me by my sister. It's from Norway, and it's called Cosmica Sun Lips, and it has an SPF 30 on it. So it's quite nice. I don't know where you can buy it here though. I don't know if it's available online. So I've put all those things here in this small compartment, in this small bag. You can use any bags that you want. Guys, I do this so that it's also easier for me to change bags without forgetting anything. So you just need to put this inside the other bag that you're gonna use later on. So aside from that, what else is on my bag? Let me see. Okay, of course, earphones, earplugs. So these are my earphones. This is a Samsung earphone. I'm currently using my phone to do this vlog. So of course my cell phone would also be inside my bag. Yeah. So I don't put it inside here because there's a little pouch. Not really pouch, but look. There's a little compartment here. Where I can put my earphone, so it won't move around so much inside my bag. And also, of course, wallet. This is actually originally this is not a wallet, but I use this as a wallet. So this is a passport holder that I bought from Bench as well. So again, Bench is our local shop here in Philippines, and this one is around the same price as the other one. This is around $2 to $4 in US dollars, but in Philippine pesos, it's only 250 pesos, around that price, yeah? I don't actually remember the exact price, but it is less than 300 pesos. So I really like this one because it's very thin, see? And also, Ta-da! So there's a lot of sleeves where you can put your credit card or discount cards, and there's this as well. I use this for my coins. Yeah, I don't like to bring a lot of coins because it will spoil your wallet. And of course, I use this one for, you know, the paper cash or paper money, sorry. And this is actually where I put my passport. Earlier, I have to bring my passport as well. Earlier, I have to bring my passport because this is my valid ID so far, because I lost my TIN ID. And I've been overseas for so long, so I actually forgot where I placed my other IDs, yeah? So at this time, this is the only valid ID that I have. So I also brought it earlier today because I have to do some stuff that needs ID. So basically, what's on my bag, what's inside my bag is just these 3 things. So I have this one, and this one. So it's very easy to change bags. Yeah. So I put it here, all here. Let me show you. Ta-da! Let me just put my earphone back. Oh, okay. Ta-da! And also I put my phone here. I don't put it inside a pouch or any other compartments or any other bags because I always have to bring it out anyways. So I just put it here. It won't get scratched because there's nothing here but my phone and my wallet and this one, the other pouch. So guys, I would recommend for you to organize your bag so that it's easier for you to change bags without forgetting anything. So I hope you got something out of this video, or I think I wasted your time again, huh? Okay, if you like more videos like this, leave a comment below, and if you want more upcoming videos from me, please do subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye!